Today, I'm going to show you how to install the Moen Hose Series 3/4 horsepower garbage disposal. The model number is EX75C. This model is designed for households that cook frequent and is ideal for a fair amount of food scraps. It features 3/4 horsepower with spinning rate of 2700 RPM, which means it grinds faster and less chance of jamming. This is a huge upgrade from the entry-level half and third horsepower unit. And compared with InSinkErator brand, the Moen is more compact in design and comes with a fast-track installation system, which makes it easier to install without needing a plumber. And another advantage of the Moen is it features sound shield insulation. This is significantly quieter than most of the other disposal brand for this price range, which makes it different if your kitchen opens up to the living room or dining area. Let's talk about power. A third horsepower unit is okay for light use and it will clog easily. A half horsepower unit is common, but sometimes it struggles with tougher scraps. This 3/4 horsepower model handles everything from veggie peels to small bones and is the most ideal for families of 4 people or more. A 1 horsepower unit is the strongest, but it's more expensive and takes up a lot of room under the sink. And as for cost, the Moen EX75C is priced at $139 at retail and Home Depot. If you have military discount, you can get it for $125, which is a solid value for the performance and features you're getting. Alright, let's open up and see what's inside the box. We have the unit itself. It feels solid, well built, slightly more compact than expected. The body has clean matte black finish, and here you see the fast track mounting ring, and it's going to make the installation easier compared to older models. The power cord is pre-installed, which is nice because some brands make you buy that separately and wire yourself. Here we see some mounting hardware. It includes gasket, flange, jamming wrench tools, snap ring, screws, a removable splash guard, user manual, drain elbow, manual and installation guide, and that's pretty much everything in the box. Simple, well packed, and ready to install. Tools needed for the installation. We have channel lock, adjustable wrench, screwdriver, both Phillips head and flathead, needle nose plier, Allen wrench, power drill and set of drill bits, safety gloves and masks. The disposal has 2 key ports. Dishwasher inlet port on the top. This connects to your dishwasher drain hose. Drain outlet is on the bottom. This connects to your sink drain. If you are using the dishwasher, you must knock out the plug inside the dishwasher inlet. Use a screwdriver and a rubber mallet to tap it out and remove the plastic plug from the inside the disposal. Please be aware, if you don't knock out the plug, water from the dishwasher cannot drain into the disposal, and that will flood the sink. Now we're removing the old disposal. Turn off the power. Unplug the power cord from the AC outlet. Place a bucket or towel under the sink to catch water. Now use channel lock or pliers to loosen the clamp and disconnect the dishwasher hose. Use flathead screwdriver to remove the drain pipe from the disposal. To detach the disposal, we can use a flathead screwdriver, drive it into the mounting ring, and then turn it counterclockwise to release the disposal from the bracket. Carefully support the unit as it drops. Now we remove the old flange. It's a good idea to turn off the water supply. Ensure no water flow into the area. Loose any bolts and screws attached to the flange. There's going to be some sealant or caulking around the flange. Use a utility knife to break the bond. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry the flange off. And make sure you work slowly to avoid any damage to the surrounding surfaces. After remove the old flange, we'll clean the surfaces, remove any old adhesive, debris, or rust. Now install the new flange and the mounting assembly for the Moen. Lay out all the components on the counter. Above the sink, we have the sink stopper, splash guard, and the stainless steel flange. And below the sink, we have the fiber gasket, backup flange, mounting ring, rubber gasket, snap ring. Apply plumber's putty around the sink drain opening. Apply evenly all around and push it down firmly. Now mount the disposal using Moen's Fast Track Simple Snap installation. Snap each end of the C-clip into the Fast Track Quick Snap tool. Use finger push extra putty to create a watertight seal. From under the sink, slide on the fiber gasket, backup flange, and the mounting ring. Then, lock it all with a snap ring. With the quick snap tool, simply push it upward to snap in the C-ring. Tighten the 3 mounting screws evenly. The flange should sit flush. Little bit plumber's putty squeezing out, and wipe out the excess. Next, we connect the elbow pipe to the disposal. Make sure the rubber gasket is properly seated between the disposal outlet and the elbow. You will notice a small drill hole on my elbow pipe, and that is intentional. It is for the reverse osmosis water filter drain line. Align the elbow to the drain port and secure it using the included metal flange and screws. Tighten evenly to avoid leaks. Now we attach the cushion mount, lower mounting ring, and the easy lift collar to the disposal. Slide on the lower mounting ring and make sure the notches are facing up to match with the upper mounting ring. Now we secure the disposal to the upper mounting bracket. This step is very tricky. You will need to lie directly under the sink for proper leverage and visibility. Use both hands to press the disposal upward. Align the lower mounting notches with the lugs on the upper ring. There are 3 locking notches. Make sure all 3 are lined up before turning. And once you align all 3, simply rotate the lower mounting ring clockwise. This will latch and lock the disposal into place. The difficult part is you may feel some resistance, and that's normal. Keep turning until it's fully locked. Double check that the disposal is level and securely attached on all 3 sides. Now we connect the drain pipe to the disposal's elbow outlet. Insert the elbow into the drain pipe and make sure the rubber gasket is seated correctly to prevent any leaks. Here we see there is a P-trap. We need to make sure the P-trap alignment is straight. The slip nuts are hand tightened, then snug with pliers. No over tightening. Now connect the dishwasher drain hose to the disposal inlet. Make sure the dishwasher plug is knocked out from earlier. If not, we need to remove it with a screwdriver and a hammer before proceeding. Slide the dishwasher hose, then clamp it down. Now connect the reverse osmosis discharge line to the drain pipe. The installation is now complete. Plug in the disposal. Turn on water. Switch on the disposal to test it. Alexa, turn on kitchen. Check underneath for any leaks around the drain pipe and the dishwasher hose. Check the mounting assembly is secure, no vibrations. Run the unit for a few seconds to confirm everything is normal. After verifying everything is normal and no leaks, we can install the splash guard. And that's it. Your Moen EX75C garbage disposal is now fully installed and ready for use. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more DIY tips.